With practice set 3.4 third example. Sachin invested 5,000 for first year, 7,000 for second year and 9,000 for the third year in National Savings Certificates scheme. How much amount he invest in 12 years? Means first year he invest how much? 5,000. Second year 7,000 and third year 9,000. So you have to say that T1 is equal to A is equal to 5,000. T2 is equal to 7,000, second year's investment, and this one is the third year's investment. I will say that T3 is equal to 9,000, like this. Everybody understand? Then I will write this one is the first investment, first year's investment, second year's investment, third year investment. Like that, he is investing the 12 years, he is investing the amount. So at the end of the 12 years, how much is the total amount he is saving, that you have to find out. Then here, if this 5,000, 7,000, 9,000, the common difference is 2,000. So you have to say that given sequence is an AP, the common difference D is equal to T2 minus T1. D is equal to 7,000, T2 is 7,000 minus 5,000 is equal to 2,000. So we will get the value of D as 2,000. We will get the value of A as 5,000. Then the total number of years. Say they are saying that in 12 years he is investing. So N is equal to 12 years. So we have to find out the amount invested in 12 years. Means you have to find out years 12. What you have to find out? You have to find out years 12. So years 12 you have to find out. At that time you have to utilize the formula of Sn. Sn is equal to N upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Then you have to put the value of n as 12, value of a as 5,000, value of d as 2,000. So S12 is equal to 12 upon 2 in bracket 2 multiplied by a value is 5,000 plus 12 minus 1 into d value is 2,000. So 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. So 6 multiplied by 5 2s are 10. This will come 10,000. 12 minus 1 is equal to 11 multiplied by 2,000. 11 multiplied by 2,000 is equal to, this will come 22,000, means 10,000 plus 22,000. 6 multiplied by 32,000. 6 multiplied by 32,000 will come 1,92,000. And within the 12 years, means Sachin invested 192,000, means 1,92,000 rupees in 12 years. This is very simple problem. I think like the first problem, I solved this problem. So try to understand each and everything and write each and everything in the notebook properly. Thank you.